dinosaurs. Sweet. They have a display here too. This is not Jurassic World, but that's a Carnotaurus. I don't know what that dude is. Is that a Pyroraptor maybe? Kind of looks like a Pyroraptor. And I don't know about this dude. Let's find out who these guys are. We have they don't have names? Dude, you gotta name your dinos so people know what these are. Yeah, I don't know. Young Chownosaurus right here. Quetzalcoatlus, Giganotosaurus. We've seen all of these before. Let's see if there's anything new. Anything new. No, that's a is it a Velociraptor or Atrociraptor? I think it is a Velociraptor. Parasaurolophus. I've not seen this guy in a while. Scorpiovenator. Brontosaurus. Therizinosaurus. Right? On this side, we got some Legos. Some Legos out here. Not much Legos anymore. They got the monster trucks. And that's it. I'm looking for the Hot Wheels. I don't see the Hot Wheels yet. I forgot this place has another section for dinos. And don't forget to check the normal dino sections. This is Apatosaurus, I think. Apatosaurus right here. They have the Gujitsu Giganotosaurus, right? They have this one. They're the same toys as over there, but they got the Indoraptor, Claire, Velociraptor. There's movie sets. Oh, the Spinosaurus. Oh, the Giganotosaurus. Yep. Yep. Oh, I found something new. We have the RC Gyrosphere. And this is made by Mattel. So, Mattel has a remote controlled gyrosphere. Pretty cool. This one is found in the remote control vehicle section. Next to this one. This is the one's not by Mattel. So there's the remote. And it just goes forward and back, maybe? Oh, there's a turn. That's the turn button. Okay, it only goes forward and turn. And it includes two figures, Owen and Claire. And pretty cool. I wish you could open it up. Yeah, you could probably open it up and take the figures out, I bet. And it's for $50. Here's a closer look at the figures. Very cool. Still no Jurassic Funko. I'm gonna check Box Lunch and Hot Topic one of these days. See what they have. But look, this one's got a wrestling ring. That's pretty cool. Wrestling ring in a Funko. Awesome. That's cool. This Target has a Disney Center, and they got some Buzz Lightyear. Is this a Nerf? No, it's not a Nerf. It's a Disney launcher. Disney Nerf, but it's not Nerf. Buzz Lightyear. We don't talk about Bruno. Look at this. Some realistic book. Look at these guys. They got some Legos in here. With Zurg. Sweet. What is this? Laser blade. It's like a baton. Toy baton stick.